That snake has some serious road rage.
Tecnologia! Tecnologia!
Pivot, pivot, or just drop the couch in the street. That works too.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50.
Return to sender. The tire fights back.
فاصله گلگیر باز شه بزن حواس من شوفوا يا اخوي
Down goes the scaffold. That is definitely a wrap on work for today.
Hey, Patrick! Berdua!
Gravity 1, construction workers era. That wheelbarrow had a mind of its own.
Il mio amoricino.
Runaway robot, that compactor has a mind of its own.
Kolaylıkla!
PVC plumbing in an engine bay? That is a bold strategy. Let's see if it pays off. Fire in the hole! That sounded like a dragon waking up. Doing donuts in the mud. This operator is having way too much fun.
Ozot kara gel.
It's glowing red. Do and OE touch the forbidden spicy metal.
This is why you don't leave your gas. The gas station just unhooked. Oh no.
Pretty good.
Domino effect. That was incredibly satisfying to watch.
Thwack! That brick landed with the most satisfying splat ever. Is that a foam party? Or a gas leak? Either way, get out of there.
Tecnologia! Tecnologia!
Tile removal mode beast. Look at those tiles fly off the wall. Heavy load. Tiny bridge. My anxiety is going through the roof right now.
Heads up. Literally.
Anda logo, Pradeira, a rachadura é em cima.
Innovating concrete smoothing. Broom plus squeegee equals success?
Oh, what's going on the stacks?
Teamwork makes the dream work, but that truck has other plans.
Chingao. Pero juro por mi sagrada madrecita que voy a...
Security level 0. A nail is definitely not a proper lock hinge.
ماشاءالله آقا هر کی تونه زودتر از این 5 طبقه بیاد پایین.
Ouch. I think you cleaned it a little too hard. There goes the neighborhood.
انزل. لا 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 لا. لا حول الله يا شيخ. Ik hol hier een water stinken er hoor. Ja, maar denk een beetje om het water. Denk erom over het bad heen. Hey,
Tarzan style. He took a wild ride on that falling branch. I don't think a patch kitter's gonna fix THAT many holes. That tire is toast.
Oh my god!
I just got that on camera.
Is that ice or water? This physics is blowing my mind.
Now run it, push it forward.
Threading the needle with a massive crane. High stakes gender right there.
He's fighting the hose, and the hose is winning.
ਹਲੋ ਜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਨਵਾਂ ਕਵਰ ਲੋਹੇ ਦਾ ਨਾ ਟੁੱਟੇ ਨਾ ਫੁੱਟੇ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ
Flintstone style. That floor is more fresh air than metal.
Yeah, buddy! Wait!